Okay, so the question is, how many grams of nitrogen are in 123.4 grams of ammonium nitrite? So what we need to do first is write out the molecular formula of ammonium nitrite, which is NH4NO2. Now we're going to need to figure out what the molar mass of ammonium nitrite is. And how we do that is, we know that we have two nitrogens, we have 4 hydrogens, and we have 2 oxygens. Now we're going to times this by the molar mass of each element. For nitrogen would be 28.014 grams. For hydrogen would be 1.008 grams. And for oxygen would be 16.00 grams. So once you add these up, you plug it into your calculator, and I'm actually going to round it to the hundreds place, and I get 64.05 grams per mole of NH4NO2. Okay, so we're actually going to need this for one of the steps. Let me just make it smaller so that everything fits. Okay, so now we're going to use what we're given, which is 123.4 grams of NH4NO2, and we're going to convert this into moles. So we're going to use our molar mass of ammonium nitrite, which is 64.05 grams of NH4NO2. Sorry, I forgot 2 over here. Per 1 mole of NH4NO2. Okay, so I'm gonna make this smaller again, just so that it all fits. Now, once we have it into moles, we're gonna use our molar ratio. So for 1 mole of NH4NO2, we have 2 moles of nitrogen. Okay, I'm gonna make this smaller so that it all fits. Then the next step would be, we already have moles of nitrogen. Now we need to plug in the molar mass of nitrogen in order to convert it into grams. So the molar mass of nitrogen is 14.07. Is that correct? Yes, 007 actually grams of nitrogen per 1 mole of nitrogen. Now let me put this back in here. And then when you plug it into your calculator, your answer should be 53.98 grams of nitrogen. And then I'm using 4 sig figs because we had 4 sig figs over here. So you use 4 sig figs. This should be your answer, 53.98 grams of nitrogen